So all of you were there, and it can get pretty spooky at night up in the mountains, and you're also
नहीं, ऐसा
shooting.
कुछ नहीं
ऐसा
था।
कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ
हम खुद ही
जिन-
इतने बड़े भूत थे
हम-
वहाँ
कुछ नहीं हुआ. No
सबसे बड़ी
horror
चुड़ैल।
stories to share from Hunza.
Uh,
There should be a couple of horror stories from Hunza.
No, I wonder. RH used to mention a couple of small things.
You know, but
I
we were
can't
so
remember.
delirious from like the cold
Yeah.
and
I
the
mean, आपकी
hours of
saturation को
work
80s में होती
and
थी वहाँ।
no oxygen, तो दिमाग तो
फिर
वैसे
तो
ही
बिल्कुल ही
खेल रहा
नजर
होता
आना
था।
चाहिए, hallucinate
बहुत
करना
सर्दी,
चाहिए.
like
हाँ.
unbearable cold. for
एक
me
सीन
anyway.
था, सलमान शाहिद है, मैंने रिहर्स किया था एंड इन्होंने 3 घंटे रखी थी इस सीन के लिए. एंड आई टोल्ड द एडीज, सलमान साहब, आई वाज लाइक, ये तो घंटे में हो जाएगा, आधा घंटा घंटे में हो जाएगा. दिस इज, वी गॉट दिस, वो ज्यादा है भी नहीं. It took us 6 hours to do that scene almost.
Oh my God.
Because it was so cold. सलमान साहब को पता नहीं कहाँ जाना था, वो बार-बार कहीं और जा रहे हैं, बार-बार, because he was just, I was not, didn't know what I was
Fumbling
saying.
and-
Because my teeth were now chattering, my nails were going blue, my brain was freezing over.
Why
और
would
ये
you
सारे
shoot
अंगीठियों
this
के
in
साथ
winter?
बैठे हुए, 10-10 शॉल ओढ़े हुए, और मैं अपने पता नहीं फ्लैट के बुरके में. सोना मटेरियल था.
So because it was fall,
Yeah.
so fall was very
Cold.
important to us. It was all about rebirth and
Right,
sort of.
of
So
course.
that season it had
Spring भी कर सकते थे आसिम,
Spring
rebirth.
is
No,
birth.
but you see,
spring is birth.
No, spring is rebirth, na?
you see Hunza on fire. The shades of
Oh my
orange,
God! And
yellow,
can we just
red.
say a word of appreciation for Mo? I mean, Mo Azmi.
Yeah,
that's
absolutely.
so talented. I mean,
He's really shot it.
you can recognize his frames and those trees, and they're like they are on fire.
Yeah.
Those
मगर
yellow
वो
leaves.
फायर पे
Oh.
होते थे तकरीबन 10 से 12 दिन के लिए. हमारा
हाँ,
शूट
we
था
were
6 हफ्ते के लिए.
chasing the leaves.
And the present storyline happens over 4 to 5 days. The entire show.
Right, right.
So just scheduling this was a nightmare because we were always waiting
Main
for
जो
the
tree
weather.
थी
हाँ.
था, it had to be full, और
हाँ.
फिर एक scene में it had to be bare. अब वो
मगर
bare हो ही नहीं
वो तो
रहा, या वो
effects
पता नहीं
में
क्या.
किया होगा ना थोड़ा
नहीं,
बहुत.
a lot of it that is
We
real.
waited for it to be real.
Oh.
Yeah, all the tree stuff, most of the tree stuff is real.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
the original tree stuff, yeah.
amazing, amazing. So I'm really excited,
Thank
and I'm looking forward to it. And I hope that we understand it. That is
You
my,
will understand.
that is my biggest
Because
concern.
everyone has siblings, everyone has aging
हाँ.
parents again,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
like these are some similar themes in Cake. Everyone believes in life after death in some form or the other. Everyone would like to reunite with the people who have passed in some way or the other, or even just think about it, if not actually be able to do it. We all have a shaman in our life, or a guru, or a
Yeah,
peer,
yeah.
or a spiritual leader, or someone. So there's elements of all of this in that. So the mysticism, the magic, the family.
No, it's exciting
Hunza,
to also be
backdrop.
sort of nudged out of your comfort zone
Yeah,
because you're used to seeing one kind of drama on television,
yeah.
and then suddenly you have something like a Barzakh, which really kind of pushes you to think, you know, beyond the obvious. So important. Yeah. So one concern for people in Pakistan, they will be able to watch it completely, right?
Oh yeah,
100%.
It's- yeah,
Because
it's
a lot
all-
of digital platforms release 2 episodes, and then they say if you want to watch the rest, then you need to subscribe.
No, they're
Nahin,
putting this out.
ऐसा
there
तो
for
नहीं होगा?
everyone
This
to
was really
watch.
important to Shilja that she really wanted everyone in Pakistan to see it.
Right.
And I think it's, you know, we always say we know what our audiences want and this kind of stuff audiences watching and not. And I think that might apply when you come to cinema, when you have to pay for tickets, but to have something so readily available that is
Yeah.
probably out of your comfort zone, but it's there. And I think a lot of people will check it out. And I think it is a show, I believe, not to sound immodest or anything, that has value beyond the 1 hour that you spend watching it. It has, there are elements there that you have to think about. There are elements there that you will want to go back to. And I think that sort of has a power of its own that you don't, it's not like a really good dish that you consume and you forget about it.
Yeah,
It's something
yeah.
that you want to keep thinking
It's
about.
going to stay with you
Yeah.
for a lot longer than that 1 hour.
Yeah,
For sure. For
hopefully,
sure.
yeah.
For sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
for the little, what do you call it, giveaways and the nuggets of information from the set and about the story. And I'm sure everybody's looking forward to
अब
it.
सब आपके रिव्यू का ही इंतजार करेंगे.
हमारे रिव्यू का इंतजार करेंगे. आएगा तो हाँ. I, you know, mistakenly thought it was releasing on 19th June. So वो 17th को posters drop हुए. मैं कहा, what? 17th posters, 19th it's coming out. Oh my
I'm not
god.
messaging, she was like, सारी episodes आ जा रही हैं. I was
Aaj
like,
aaj
what?
he was like, you do realize it's next month. I was like, oh, okay.
And two episodes a week.
I believe there are going to be
Is
2
that
episodes
okay?
a
Two
week, and
episodes
there
a
are
week.
6
Which is good.
episodes in
6
so
episodes.
3 weeks, and
Yeah.
So it's good. You'll get to watch
Yeah.
it,
This is-
absorb it, ponder
Absolutely.
over
You
it.
get to savor it
have
because
a-
I think I really didn't want this to be binge, but I was too scared to share that with the streamers because everyone loves like releasing
Binging,
everything on
yeah.
the same day.
No, I think it
so
would
I'm
be
really, really
overwhelming.
glad that this is happening.
it would be overwhelming.
Yeah.
It would be
Ah.
like, binge watching. You can't, like a Game of Thrones. You have
Yeah.
to watch one episode and then wait.
And it's the great thing about your guys' shows now, the drama reviewers, is that this will also be something. So you'll have a completely different genre to review,
Totally.
discuss, and have
Totally.
your
Yeah,
people
yeah,
who
yeah.
love to interact with you guys,
Absolutely.
give you your feedback.
Yeah.
For even you to get insight into how people, because we won't really know. You'll see some comments, but really like
Yeah.
these online platforms now that review the dramas, they
Yeah,
really
absolutely.
get. Do you think you get a lot of insight now as reviewers?
Absolutely.
audiences.
Yeah,
From
yeah,
audiences?
absolutely, absolutely. But we have a hugely international audience, so they are very sort of they
That's
watch
very
the
different
OTT as
from
well. It's
the-
very different from the local audience. But वो भी है,
Same.
वो भी है. But अच्छा, you get kind of a full
Yeah.
scale of how people are reacting to and responding to different stories and actors and all of that. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'm sure you guys are as well. Thank you so much for your time. I know
Thank
you're
you.
flying out to greener pastures
Yes.
and better climates here, there. And just for people, you don't live here.
I don't. Well, I try and spend 6 months here and 6 months.
Oh,
in
do
the
you?
UK. Yeah, I do. My mom is here, so I
Okay.
try and spend as much time with her as I can. And when
Right.
I'm writing, I try and write from here.
Right.
Um,
And you just directed an episode of Famous Five.
I did.
That's
Yes, I did.
amazing.
Yes,
Famous
it's-
Five and the other one, and they were both selected for
Yeah, broadcast award.
broadcast awards.
So
Yeah,
where,
it
where
was
can
really good.
where can we watch?
I don't know. Here,
Okay.
the Famous Five was done for the BBC, and Count of the Love was done for ITV.
Count
X.
of the Love.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
So you're doing some good stuff.
Well, trying to
would
do different stuff.
Try
Yeah.
and sort of urge you to make another film,
Yes,
and
I
also
want to
get into
just-
television
yeah.
here as well. Come on, Asim.
चलो, सोचते हैं इसके बारे में।
सोचते हैं इसके बारे में. सोचें.
कोई आए तो सही कौन सा टीवी चैनल आ रहा है मेरे पास कि आप कुछ बनाएं? Well, maybe I have that face
Well,
when the
the-
doors are closed.
Well, the new channel that we have, Green, is always
Yeah.
looking
doing
for.
good stuff.
For different stuff. I mean, they are open to new ideas.
Yeah.
And Sanam, how about you? You're completely taken in with your projects right now. Your
I
hands are
just
full,
got
you're
back
super
a
busy.
few weeks ago from
From-
wrapping up Shandur and Jo Bache Hain.
Yeah.
So those will be out end of the year, beginning of next year, I think.
Hmm.
And then I wanted to take a break, but I might be doing one more thing, which might be TV. So let's
Okay.
see. Yeah,
Back on TV.
maybe.
Maybe.
If I have the himmat.
You'll be fine in a couple of months. You'll be like, And I'm hearing of a sequel to Umrao.
There is room
Umro.
for it.
Yeah.
Umro.
Umro.
Umro Ayar, a new beginning. Yes, there's definitely room for it. Let's hope that the fans
So lots
allow the
happening.
producers to make another one.
I think they will. I think everybody's loved
Yeah.
it. Whoever's seen it has loved it. It's really, really good.
You
Good
got to
film.
recover costs. These films aren't cheap.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you.
And,
Thank you.
and good luck, both of you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
All right.